quick automotive tech tips that you should know. So if you have yourself a Ford unit with a 4R70 transmission in it, and you find yourself in a situation where your transmission is starting to bind up on the 1-2 shift, and typically this happens in this 10 mile an hour and under kind of moment, what you'll end up seeing a lot of times is the 2-3 accumulator is actually leaking by on the small end of the accumulator itself. And sometimes what will happen is the seal itself will start delaminating. You'll maybe start seeing wear in the case, or the seal gets glazed over if it's an old seal, right? And that can definitely cause some leaking there. And hydraulically, what's happening is the direct clutch feed is cross leaking over into that circuit, and which ends up leading to burning out clutches and the bind up that you're experiencing. So this is happening with old accumulators and new. The rubber that they're making accumulators out of, just because it's new doesn't mean it's good, and it doesn't mean it's going to not leak by. Sometimes they do delaminate, and we're seeing a lot of that. So next time you run into this situation and you got yourself a bind up on that 1-2 shift under, let's say, under 10 miles an hour, now it could happen maybe a little bit beyond that, but roughly in that area, take a look at your accumulator real closely, that 2-3, the one goes down the case, and see if it isn't leaking by. Chances are that could be your problem. So hope that helps.